Yeah. Hello, yeah. So welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The names remain the same. I'm Ken Rhymes and the co-founder of Rando Technology Company. Yeah, so welcome you all to your fresh and new episode on my humble noble platform. You know what we do over here. We talk about how to make money online, how to start your own online company, and a lot. So finally, the real thing is about to happen. Yeah. So if you are in Neptune network, sorry. So if you're in Neptune network new group, you see that they have posted that the update will be 2 p.m. New York time. 2 p.m. New York time. So since I'm in Ghana, I will enter 2 p.m. 2 p.m. New York time. New York time. So if you are in Ghana, 2 p.m. in New York time is what 6 p.m. So 2 p.m. New York time on Sunday. Let's say on Sunday. So 2 p.m. Saturday in New York is 6 p.m. Saturday in Accra, that's Ghana. So it means that 2 p.m. in New York on Sunday is what 6 p.m. in Ghana. So I'm in Ghana, so I have to do it for Ghana. Yeah. So they're saying that the thing will be live on that particular day. On that particular time, they told us it's for 15 September. And now they are saying that it will be live 2 p.m. New York time. It will be launched 2 p.m. New York time. So if you're watching me from India, if you're watching me from Uganda, Nigeria, Russia, USA, you can check it with your time and know. And right now, I've gotten a lot of DMs. People are rushing through my DMs that some are losing their account. They can't access their account. They want me to help them rebound their code. Right now, it's not that I want to charge you, no. But right now, I will not do anything for anybody. Let's wait and see how the thing goes. Let's wait and see how the thing goes. You have to remember this. I'm not here to give anyone hope that Neptune Network is coming back or it's not coming back. You see, I'm following what I'm saying, what I'm hearing. That's what I'm following. That's what I'm flowing. And one thing is, you people think that it's only you that have money in the account. No, bro. I have more than $10,000. If I'm to open my account for you to see, those who already follow me, they know it. This one is not my account. This one is their official website. Because right now I'm not at home. That's why I don't do videos showing my face, showing my account for you to see. You see that thing? Yeah, I have money inside. So since you can motivate yourself, I have to also motivate myself. You see, yeah, and I follow this platform for a long time. So if I tell you to do this, you have to do it. You see, so finally today is the day, and 6 p.m. is the time. So we have to wait to see what go happen. If it's the best way, the positive way, or the scam or the legit way, you are here. You see that thing? You are here. And since they haven't updated it yet, if you have the released coins, I beg you, I'm begging you again, because right now some people are complaining that when they try to access the account, they can't find their code, like their password is always wrong, their this is this, their this is that. You see, and I don't want you to be a victim, and that's why I've always been preaching these things to you, so that you can also see that, okay, yeah, the guy is here to guide us. And so you get some people to be insulting you as if you are doing the videos for them. I'm not doing any video for you, bro. If you don't want to watch me, don't watch me. Don't be so stupid to insult me under my own videos. I'm doing my own videos with my own data bundle. Don't be so stupid to insult me. Don't do that. If you don't want to watch my updates, just keep it. Don't be so foolish to insult me under my own videos. Don't do that. Don't do that, because it's not only you that is serious to withdraw your money. So I'm not forcing you to watch my videos. So if you're not ready to watch the videos, just keep it and let the wise people watch the videos. I'm not trying to give anyone hope that Neptune network is not gone, blah 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 blah. We are all hoping for the best, since we all have money inside. You see, so finally they are saying that 2 p.m. New York time. Let's wait 2 p.m. New York time and let's see what the thing goes. You see that thing? And let's see what the thing goes. If they open it for us, fine. If they don't, still fine. But all we are hoping for is what? A better ending. You see, a better ending. So right now, if you are in Asia, you have to calculate 2 p.m. New York time in your time, so that you can be fast and try to withdraw and see whether you get your money in your account or you sleep. You see, I'm not trying to give anyone hope, but we all have to hope for the best. And currently, people have been losing their accounts, and these people, they always try to chat me. Yo, bro, if you chat me, I don't have anything to tell you, because I've already talked much about these things, and you choose to pay deaf ears to it, and I'm not ready to talk about anything again. So the people who are chatting me and be like, I can't find, they say my code is wrong, they are giving me last chance, blah 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 blah. Bro, I don't have anything to do, because I'm not the founder of the app. I just gave you updates and you chose to pay deaf ears to it. You said that thing, you chose to pay deaf ears to it. So I don't have anything to show, because I told you that if only you have the release coins and you haven't joined the DeFi trade, do it. How can, like let's say right now, if you exchange one entity, it's equal to 2 USDT, and you're just spending 10 USDT from the money you earn from the particular platform to join the DeFi. What is wrong about it? And I'm not saying that if you're new to the platform, you have to deposit it. I'm not saying that. But I was trying to tell you that if you're an ambassador on the platform, if you're receiving money through not revolves and you haven't joined the DeFi trade, do it so that you not end up losing your account. That is what I was preaching about. I hope you get it. That is what I was preaching about. Nothing more. Nothing more. So right now, they are saying 2 p.m. New York time, and in Ghana, that's 6 p.m. in Ghana. So we are all waiting for the 6 p.m. to know if we can cash out or not. I hope you get it. If we can cash out or not. But right now, if you have done a rebounding, try to do it. If you haven't joined the DEFA and you open your account and you can access your account, please join the DEFA. If you haven't do any of these things, please do it. What's the name? Yeah, do it. You see that thing? Or you end up losing the account. You see? Yeah. So that's the update I'm giving you right now. You see, I'm in bed and I got this update and I woke up trying to let you know what to do so that you will not miss this opportunity. So today is the day, finally. Today is the day, and we have to wait and see whether they will surprise us or you will surprise them. You see that then? Yeah, so we have to wait for that. So there is the update that I have for you today. So right now they say 2 p.m. New York time. So mix the date and try to catch up and let's see where the thing goes. So I'm out and don't forget to subscribe.